how to have multiple Roblox accounts open at the same time. In order to do this, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. Now, for whatever reason you want to have or use a multiple Roblox account open at the same time, then there are a couple of different steps you could try. First of all, what you want to do is first thing, open your Roblox from a web browser. And next, what you could do is, the other thing is, you could go ahead and open up any of these experience. When you actually go ahead and click on this play button or the blue arrow icon, it's going to open up the Roblox Player client. So here I have this open up already. Now this is one way of doing it. So the other account, if you want to open it, is that you could use the web version of the Roblox itself. But for that, what you want to do is here, come to the home page once again, or go to the web browser. Then over here, you want to go to the friends sections from the left hand side corner of your screen. Then you want to go ahead and look for the particular friend, and what you want to do is then you want to go ahead and make sure to open up this from the Roblox from your Microsoft Edge and then install it on your device once again, and that way you'll be able to play the game as well. The other thing you also want to do is, if you want to use the same account on your web version, then you want to open up this new tab, and on the web address bar you simply want to type in now.gg. This is an application that will allow you to play Roblox on your web version, but then this has a limitation. That means it's only available in some part of the country. And when you actually go ahead and tap on the search box and type in Roblox, you might be able to find it. But as already mentioned, that this is only available in some part of the country, and in my case it's not working. I cannot go ahead and proceed the further instruction. Just type in Roblox and just follow the prompt if you're located, and that way you'll be able to have the Roblox account open at the same time. That's how it actually works. I hope the video is helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.